Still got that carburetor problem, but considering that, it's running pretty smooth. My exhaust leak, it actually kind of sounds good at idle. Like, I kind of like that. So all that damaged exhaust here, I was planning on trying to do a repair fix of some sort. Maybe instead is picked up another one of these. It's a good thing that I did that, because this is so much worse than I expected, or that I thought it was. Yeah, absolutely just garbage now. But Record Monza going on in its place. I'm so excited to have another Record Monza on here. This one's a little bit bigger than the 500 version was, because this is an engine based off the 650, as you can see right there. Anyway, let's get it in.